Hello, here's what you can do in order to try to fix the issue with WhatsApp calls not showing on POCO X7 Pro. First of all, let's open the settings. In the settings, we need to find apps and then go over here. Here we will find the list of all apps installed on our device, so we need to find WhatsApp. It is sorted alphabetically, so it shouldn't be an issue. Let's go to WhatsApp. Here go to app permissions. And we need to grant some basic permissions. So first go to call logs and then allow. The same goes with contacts, microphone. Here we can choose allow only while using the app. We can also go to phone and allow it as well. And the same goes with messages or SMS. After that, we can go back. And we can go to notifications, and here we want to make sure that certain notifications are enabled. Of course, you can turn them all on. They should be at least enabled, but such notifications like, for instance, the lock screen notifications, so you have them even when the phone is disabled. For chats, we have show notifications as well. So you essentially want to go through these options and turn on, make sure that the notifications are actually enabled, like even the notification badges as well. And that is pretty much it. While still being in the app settings, and if you have issues with the lock screen notifications, then in that case you can go to notifications once again. And in this specific example, you might need to go to silent notifications and you might need to turn them off. By doing so, this might help you fix the issue with the notifications not showing specifically in the lock screen. In some cases, you might also need to scroll all the way down in the notifications to go to additional settings in the app. And then over here, for instance, you might want to make sure that the conversation tones is enabled. And I guess this is all that matters in that case. Also, you can enable the use high priority notifications if it's disabled, and that should be about it. And in some cases, you might also want to go to other permissions instead of notifications, and you might want to allow home screen shortcuts. So over here, you want to go to home screen shortcuts and choose always allow. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!